In which among the following stage of meiosis the crossing over is initiated? The crossing over occurs during meiosis 1, specifically in the Pachytene stage of prophase 1. So the Pachytene stage is a phase in prophase 1 of meiosis. During the stage, the crossing over takes place where the homologous chromosomes exchange genetic material, and this increases the genetic diversity. So the chromosomes are fully paired as bivalents or tetrads, and the synaptonymal complex holds them together. So this stage is key for the genetic recombination. So the answer is option A, Pachytene. Whereas coming to option B, leptotene, here the chromosome begins to condense and become visible, but no crossing over takes place. So option B is incorrect. Option C, that is zygotene. Zygotene is where the homologous chromosomes pair up, that is the synapsis. So option C is also incorrect. Option D, diplotin. So here the chromosome begins to separate slightly. So we can say that the crossing over is already complete here. So here the separation of chromosomes takes place. Separation of chromosomes. So that means option D is also incorrect. The correct answer is option A, Pachytene.